Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Facebook. Log in and open the menu now. Once done, choose Settings and Privacy so you access account controls. You need Activity Log because it stores actions and interactions. This is where video views and posts appear. Make sure to pick the correct profile if you manage multiple accounts. If you're on desktop, use the downward arrow, and on mobile, tap the 3 lines. This first step gets you directly into the history area to inspect video activity. Now drill down, open Activity Log and use filters to narrow results to media or videos. Once filtered, select Video or Logged Actions. This isolates uploads, shares, and watched videos. You can also type keywords in the search bar to find a specific clip. Make sure to set a date range if you only want recent history. Pausing and scrolling reveals chronological entries with timestamps. This helps you see exactly when an interaction occurred and why it's listed there. With filtered results visible, tap any video entry to open options. View, change privacy, hide from timeline, or delete. You should manage visibility if the video is sensitive. Changing privacy updates who sees it. If you can't find expected video history, try download your info to request a full archive or check archived and activity log filters again. If entries don't appear, log out and back in or update the app. These actions often resolve sync issues and refresh stored activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.